Let us perform an activity to make a simple manometer. Materials required are 20 to 30 centimeters long transparent tube, normal water, colored water, sticking tape. Take the tube and stick it on the wall in U shape such that one arm of the tube is longer than the other. Now fill the colored water in the tube. Bring the normal water in a glass close to the longer arm of the tube and immerse the arm in water. What do you observe? It will be observed that the level of the colored water starts rising in the shorter arm of the tube. As the longer end of the tube is taken deep inside water, the level of colored water raises more. Why does the colored water rise? It happens because of the pressure difference in the arms. Colored water rises till the pressure in both the arms of the tube becomes equal, which creates a height difference. This height differential can be used directly to make relative comparisons between different test pressures.